Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 5th, our word of the day is bereft. B-E-R-E-F-T. Bereft. Bereft is a 6-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Bereft means not having something or feeling great loss, deprived. So, they took the thing you most loved, and you're never going to get it back. You've gone beyond just plain grief-stricken, you're bereft. Similar words include bereaved, cut off, deprived, destitute, devoid, stripped, grief-stricken, grieving, mourning. Examples of sentences using bereft are: mourn not for those who have died, but for those who are bereft. Alone now and almost penniless, he was bereft of hope. The refugees arrived bereft of their possessions. He was utterly bereft when his wife died. The team now seems bereft of inspiration. After the last of their children had left home, the couple felt utterly bereft. Make sure to save this new word, bereft, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.